the learner's confluence. He believes that learning always needs to be personalized, collaborative, innovative, and sustainable. I would like to call upon Dr. Senthil on stage to share his views on the topic, emerging trends in education, and insight on national education.
Good afternoon to all the participants, the speakers, the experts. Can I have these lights to be just dimmed a bit? Yeah, thank you. While the session was going on parent partnership, I was just kind of sitting and thinking about it. How can I kind of, look at it into a day-to-day life? I was just thinking, I think most of us who have become parents got married, one. Second, some of us might have समझा, उसके बाद जाके शादी हुई, उसके बाद, the whole process is like this. So parent partnership, what I personally was sitting and kind of contemplating was, I think this is what it's all about. जिस दिन मियाँ बीबी राजी, तो क्या करेगा काजी? That's the whole simple thing which I have understood in the last session. So thank you Sita Murthy and the team for doing that wonderful attraction on very very important subject, and blame game will continue. It's like murgi and anda, pehle murgi aaya, anda aaya, and I think this situation is going to go on and we don't have to worry about it. Thanks to the organizers for getting me here, and on a very important topic. Probably it is like everybody talked about AI. I think NEP is also something like that. Everybody is talking about it, but I don't know. Tell me frankly, how many of you have gone 450 plus pages in this room? Yeah, except one or two hands, I'm okay with that. But I think it's very important. जब हमने पूरा पढ़ा ही नहीं है, why are we talking about it? And thanks to search engines which keep talking about, acha, what is the view of somebody else? Somebody sitting in some corner of India, experiencing education in one particular perspective, is giving his perspective, not the overall perspective. And when the organizer said, then I said I would like to contain myself not on emerging trends, but also only on a very important aspect called as the teacher and the NEP. Because there's a lot of misconception which has been running around. Ki NEP, can I move on? Thinking 450 pages, summary to be done in 20 minutes. Very interesting task. Thank you very much for that. But I think it's going to be very, very important that how as a parent or as a teacher or as a management or as any individual who's connected with education per se as such, how are you going to look at this particular whole thought process as such? So when this topic was given yesterday evening, till 11:30 we were having a discussion, and after that I went, and then today morning I thought, okay, let me put my thoughts together. And these are some of my thoughts per se as such when NEP is coming. So I am not, don't say that I am pro Modi, against Modi, or for equal Modi, nothing. This is purely a teacher coming from the classroom who have evolved into to be a part of various schools management, assessing institutions and give you perspective on policies, what is being given. And many a times during this particular process, there will be a lot of examples I will be giving, so don't get hurt. That इनको हमारे स्कूल के बारे में कैसे पता चला? मेरे को आपके स्कूल में कुछ नहीं मालूम है. It is purely coincidental, and you will surely understand that example. So if it is, see, I have my own assessment rubrics to assess कि आपके स्कूल में हुआ है कि नहीं. That I will tell you at the end of the session कि कितने स्कूलों में ये हुआ. So you don't have to worry about it. So there will be a lot of examples to real sense. So thanks to all those people, because of which who gave opportunity to explore this particular part, and then I thought, okay, we need to thank them too. I think this is something which NEP is actually talking about. Guru and Gurukul. Somewhere over the period of time, we have lost this whole concept of this Guru and Gurukul. And if you try to look at world over, everybody is going towards this. And just to give you a quick summary, this is what the Gurukul system actually talked about: the learning process, the learning skills, how exactly it kind of moved in. And everyone talks in English, LSRW. Hindi में भी है कुछ. Now don't say कि हम आंध्रा में हिंदी को accept नहीं करते हैं. Now that's a different problem. But if you try to look at it, all these things were already existing. We were supposed to say, Guru will say you will go for vocational, so you will go for vocational. You will get into academics, you will get into academics. And in my little experience for last 3 decades now in the sector, and traveling a little bit to Finland, Singapore and other countries, trying to understand what each one was trying to do, everywhere the guru is the decision maker. And the problem is, ये जो guru है, this guru based on his or her awareness goes and assesses everybody. I'll give you one example. Lot of Indians have suddenly started going to Finland to see Finland में हो क्या रहा है कर. इंडिया में देखा नहीं क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन फिनलैंड गए हम लोग. मेरे साथ भी काफी लोग जाते हैं, मैं भी ले जाता हूँ. But when I take them there, this time a very interesting thing happened. One of the school principal asked this particular principal, आपके यहाँ पे class observation होता है क्या? Now this principal was very smart. She took out one template and showed it. This is the template which we follow. When all the presentation got over, they went around to see the classroom. I called the principal. I said, Finland में class observation मैंने 6 साल में नहीं सुना. Suddenly कहाँ से आ गया? Then said, whenever Indian delegation come, they ask this question, कि whether you are observing the teacher or not, what is the rubrics? So the problem is there. So if you look at Finland culture, if the teacher closes the door, management can't walk into the room. That is the culture there. And for them, when we went with our Gyan, we spoiled them. So so this is where I think our own knowledge, we should keep it to ourselves. When you're going on a learning mode, just learn. And many people say, oh, we need to get Finnish education in India. हाँ लेकर आओ, लेकिन उसके साथ मौसम भी लाओ. Today, the teacher sitting here, most of them are struggling. After sports period or after lunch period, half of them don't want. Yes. Somehow the software companies are not able to understand how to make timetable for the teachers in India. Because there are so many logics to be used. Because जैसे ही टाइम टेबल निकलता है प्रिंसिपल के कमरे के बाहर लाइन. मैडम, all periods are first period or last period, and there is no research to prove maths में first period पढ़ाने से ऐसे जाता है. कहीं research में नहीं है. All maths and science give me first period. कहाँ लिखा बताओ मुझे, कौन से research में लिखा बताइए मुझे. Let me also understand. There is nothing like that. So what exactly happens is, हमारे ही culture में the NEP which we are trying to talk about is purely based on these basic ethos. Learning has to be for life. We had something SUPW, fantastic thing. हमें इंग्लिश से ज्यादा प्यार था. लोगों को कुछ नया उसका टर्म देना था, हमने उसे एक लाइफ स्किल निकाल दिया. हमने उसे एक लाइफ स्किल निकाल के उसको खत्म कर दिया. And this is where the whole issue is happening. CCE we brought in, we never knew what exactly to do it, and then we dropped it like a hot potato in between. Teacher celebration हुआ काफी स्कूलों में, CCE बंद हो गया करके. मीटिंग, स्टाफ मीटिंग बुलाई गई कि अब से ये एविडेंसेस लिखना नहीं है, हमें इंग्लिश की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. क्योंकि ए और बी में एनेक्डोटल रिकॉर्ड लिखते समय इतना परेशानी था टीचर को कि कभी समझ में नहीं आया. But this is what is the actual system. This is where is the root basically coming from. Going forward from here, we really need to understand this particular booth which has been talked about. So as a teacher, as a parent, you really need to understand some 5 points. I'm not going to give you a Gyan on NEP, but I would like you to please look at this very, very critically. The whole pedagogical process of learning is going to get divided into 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So the whole model is going to be these preschools are going to get into formal structures. So once it is going to get into formal structures, then you really need to have an alignment. Because half of the preschools are trying to teach, like what Sita ma'am said some time back, कि cursive handwriting होने से ही आपको first standard में admission मिलेगा. ऐसे लगता है जैसे सारे स्कूलों में they are going to give the first day, post day certificate to be written to that kid who is going to come into school. That's the purpose. I'm sorry. You are not even supposed to give pencil. You are not supposed to give. 2 साल तक बात मत करो. तीसरे साल में assessment करो. That is 3 years of your pre-primary, 2 years of your primary put together is going to be 5. 3rd to 5th is going to be another 3 years. 6th to 8th is going to be another 3 years. 9 to 12 is going to be 4 years. 4 years into 8 semesters. 48 papers to be cleared by the child, like a credit choice-based credit system. The child will decide which paper to be ready. He or she wants to study. So school management, get ready. आपका टाइम टेबल अब काम नहीं करेगा. Because the child will decide इस साल कौन सा पेपर. 3, 5 and 8, you are going to have census-based assessment. Parents who are going to go out, don't say that there is going to be board examination for 3rd, 5 and 8. No. It is only census-based assessment to understand child's learning over the phase of 3 years and measuring, so that in grade A, 9, 10, 11, 12, the child can take a decision, karna kya aage. That's the basis. And this is going to also give benefit to teachers who were struggling to write reflections in the lesson plan ना. अब आपको lesson plan में नहीं करना पड़ेगा, आपको annual plan में भी change करना पड़ेगा. So it is not going to be that column in the lesson plan where you have to write based on the census-based assessment that this is the improvement, but you have to also look at it. So the assessment in the country from LKG till the what you call world of work is going to be similar based on concepts and skills. So that's another very, very important point. Now something which is interesting for teachers as well as for management. I know that you also have a fee regulation committee and all. Get ready with this. कि अगले 3 साल में खाली 8% you can increase your fees. So teachers, get ready when you will get your increment. Economics of education. And if whether it is a temple, church, mosque, everywhere there is a financial model. Is there a temple जहां पे सब हाथ दिखाओ खाली प्रसाद देते जा रहे हैं, वो इसमें पैसे नहीं डालना होता? जब तक सामने वाला प्रसाद लेके पैसे नहीं डालेगा, पीछे वाले को कैसे प्रसाद मिलेगा? So somebody has to do the investment to get onto it. So we really need to understand this particular perspective. That's what this particular document is talking about from the management perspective. And the last important perspective is, somewhere all the chapters don't seem to have any link at all. जैसे लगते से 7 लोगों ने बैठ के अलग अलग पेड़ों के नीचे बैठ के स्क्रिप्ट को लिख के एक फोल्डर में डाल के प्रिंट करके दे दिया. Because some chapters don't even talk about private schools. And unluckily in India, when you try to put the whole structure, we are not government oriented, we are not private oriented. 87% this whole school education is still controlled by the government sector. 10% is those schools which don't have even CBSE requirements of half acre, whatever there, 2 doors, all those things. That's another 10%. The 2% is of your kind, which is here, because you are all progressive, wanting to do something. There is 1% which is the elite. Now this is the whole school education sector. Now tell me, who can write a policy for this? When you are done, 1 chapter copied from east, 1 chapter copied from west, and you are trying to make a khichdi, how it will come out? So somewhere, if khichdi may be, you have to live with. You don't have a choice. Do you have a choice? You बोलो CBSE को कल से मत आओ मेरे पास. Don't worry. Now you are handling CBSE. Now you may have to handle the district education officer. He is going to become your boss. He is going to ask your salary. He is going to tell you what to do and how to do. So now somebody said ना कि scratch हुआ, पाँव में चोट लगा, example that was given here in the morning. That's where I think something which we really need to look at it. So when we try to talk about this particular policy, these are the 5 key takeaways and you must read it. But it very beautifully says some key things. What it talks about is, it says India-centered education system, which is very important. Which is very, very important. We talk about inclusiveness, we talk about everything. This is where peer-to-peer learning, was happening actually. Somewhere हमने A section, there is a myth many parents carry. All A sections are bright students, all D sections are not so bright students. And schools are also to satisfy the parents, every year they'll mix the batch. That's where today now there is no friendship नाम की चीज खत्म हो गई बच्चों में. Otherwise they'll say एक प्लेट में खाते थे, टिफिन चोरी करते थे. Those dialogues are missing nowadays. This is where we really need to understand that it should actually try to talk about sustainability. And sustainability what? Equitable, vibrant knowledge society. Everybody must get knowledge. And you saw here very, very clearly in the morning that research which was being put, how people are trying to talk about, they are not asking for education. See, this is the contrast which has been done. The survey report which you might have seen in the morning only talked about health and safety. Nobody talked about what you are going to teach in the institution. So parents, that is the reality. That is the reality. Nobody is, trying to bother about it, and somewhere we are missing the whole bus, which should provide high quality. Now, when we're trying to look at this, what you call draft national education policy and the topic like teacher, I was little, very, very happy, because this for the first time in the document there are two what you call parts are being given for teacher. One, kya kaam nahi kiya. Second, kya kaam kiya. What work? No school is supposed to teach any child anything. It is only supposed to make its practices so strong, the child will choose the way to learn. Who is expecting you to teach? If you are a good teacher, tomorrow, that is whenever you, I don't know when, like they said, no, ki kab khulega school, pata nahi, we are not very sure about it. Whenever the school reopens, stop teaching and start reaching. You should start reaching that particular child and stop teaching. And that's what will bring us this. The report is actually talking about what is not working in these areas. He says first and the foremost thing is that nobody knows what teacher education is in a country, like this umbrella scenario. Everybody is talking about it, but nobody is belling the cat. We made 1 year syllabus into 2 years. We never knew what to do 6 months. We said, tum bahar ghoom ke aao. 6 months job. 18 weeks, 13 weeks, you go for think and come back. Earlier also it used to happen for certain period. You were supposed to experience institution. And I'm udhar chale jao, PT teacher ke saath. Dance ka hai to idhar chale jao. Sorry. Give them that experience of what actually school. And the report itself says, accepts that the B.Ed system has not worked for us. The second part what we talk about, it's not an aspirational profession. It's not aspiration. It is like a chhata, black and white, which nobody wants to buy. Everybody wants to see मेरे कोट के साथ क्या मैच करेगा, मेरी साड़ी के साथ क्या मैच करेगा, मेरे दुपट्टे के साथ क्या मैच करेगा. And in country like Finland, top 10% of people go for teaching. Top 10% of people go for teaching. So you can't get admission. You can't even if you want to try, you can't become teacher. So we need to look at this whole thought process. How will we make it happen? And again there is economics of education. इन्होंने 10,000 दिया तो आज इनके साथ कर लिया. Shelf life of teacher is also reducing day by day. The principal is also reducing day by day, by the way, in many schools. You join there for a moment, you try certain things, immediately somebody is giving another 2,000 and you move on to it. Sorry. If you have sown a seed, if you have worked on a practice, please allow it to work for 18 months. 18 mahine, allow it to grow. Third year, wait to see the result. And then you design, I'm okay with it. I was quite happy. I was just trying to see long service jab inhone diya to 5 saal diya. Thank you very much. Good, continue. Because that's the average looks like national across right now. It's good. Because we really need to understand this specific. How can we make it more aspirational? How can we make it more aspirational? And this is the practices is shortcoming for us. See the situation in sports day, teacher बैठा हुआ बच्चे को छाता फोड़ के रखा हुआ. Now this is the real scenario. This is the real scenario. Our practices are so old and they are so flawed that आज की तारीख भी we are trying to tell everybody वो pledge लो जो Indian culture में नहीं है. Look at the pledge which we do every day morning. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Indian culture में भाई बहन कहाँ शादी करता बताओ? कहाँ शादी करता बताओ? That's why students are much more smarter. They say except one. And many of us also might have done this. Now which regulation says, which act says, which CBSE circular says, or which ICSE says, which state government or regulator says that you should not, you can't remove this line? It's your line, you remove, no? This is where the whole thing is. We have such flawed things, and the document talks about. The third important is shortage of infrastructure, resources and supplies. Today the national average happens to be around 68 to 70 child per class. Now don't say, sir, in my class only 30. Sorry. This is simple mathematics. Total number of bacha divided by total number of classes in the country comes to around 68 to 70. Now if that is the kind of environment which you are trying to talk about, how will you give that educational experience? So document basically talks that. Non-academic activities. Oh. My request, if you are teachers sitting, principals here, go back and tell your teachers, please segment the work into 3. Academic, academic administration, and then pure administration. Somehow what we do, we try to mix all this. And our appointment letters are also written like this. How many of us have actually defined the teacher standards for ourselves as a school? Don't raise your hands. It's a public place. Because it's very, very important for us to understand that हमारे पास standard नहीं है, so how are you going to put that vision and mission को realize कैसे करेंगे? I'm not very sure about it. So document also talks about it कि teacher को non-academic काम मत दो. Next it talks about is non-merit based time-bound promotions. If there is a founding teacher, founding principal वही बनेगा. अब नया ट्रेंड निकला है, थैंक्स टू सीबीएसई एंड अदर रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज. अवार्ड दिया तो 5 साल और आप प्रिंसिपल बन सकते हैं. अभी रिसेंटली 3 साल कर दिया. कुछ स्कूलों में एक और प्रॉब्लम है. प्रिंसिपल गया, ठीक है, यू आर प्रिंसिपल, यू डिड योर रोल एट अ पर्टिकुलर फेज ऑफ लाइफ. देयर इज वन मोर गाय हु वांट्स टू बिकम प्रिंसिपल. आई गिव अ स्पेस फॉर दैट पर्सन. नो, आई वांट टू बिकम व्हाट? सीनियर प्रिंसिपल. इन तमिलनाडु इट इज वेरी पॉपुलर. And I don't know, in Andhra and Telangana, it is director. Now, if you are even in the campus, you should know your role. You are not going and getting into substitution activities of the school. That is what this talks about. The NEP basically talks about saying that there is no merit, there is no process, and जो senior है, वो automatically principal बन जाता है. That is wrong. This is again a major thing. And less spoken the better. I hope press people are not around. Anybody here in the press? Nobody, no? Right, then I can make a comment. Again, quality and quantity. That's okay, don't worry. Let them carry it, because hubs of learning is one of the very interesting things, and COE is everything. Last time I was also talking to the director of training and vocational skills, so it's not a problem. When we try to talk about quality and quantity, it needs to be there. Tell me frankly, if you have to go become a principal in Singapore, you need to go a 6 months internship with NIE. यहाँ पे 5 दिन का ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है. ट्रेनर को बोलते हैं 3 दिन में छोड़ दो, सर्टिफिकेट दे दो. ऐसा क्यों लगता है प्रिंसिपल्स को? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता कि मैं स्कूल छोड़ के चले जाऊंगा तो गिर जाएगा. डोंट वरी.
Not all principals.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not said everybody. I just said. तो मैंने पहले ही warning दिया था. This is not related to any school, any individual. So it is purely coincidental. So just leave it like that. Now the whole thought is, who is going to do the investment? Look at the quality of trainers. Look at the quality of programs. आज भी हम classroom management की बात करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा slide 15 साल पुराना है. Every 5 years, 7 years, there's a shift, generational shift which is happening in students. How many of us have spent assessment, even reflection? How many of us have actually done it? Go back and reflect. And that's what this talks about. Continuous profit. And thanks to all the service providers, they also keep doing training programs. And then they ask people to come in. Please see, you are not going to send somebody because one of the founding principals of Dr. Jyoti Reddy has asked you to come, so you are sitting here. The school must have gone through the program schedule to decide who in the school should go for this program. Because if the investment is not the delegate fee or whatever is there, the investment is your one day salary also. Think from that particular perspective, then you'll be able to understand the quality and quantity of program is very, very important. So we really need to be very careful about it. But what it basically says, this objective of NEP says is, teacher must ensure all students at all level of school education must be they should be handled passionately, they should be motivated, highly qualified, professionally trained and well equipped. This is the objective given in the chapter 5 of NEP. This is given in the chapter 5 of the NEP. So this is their definition, you can go back and look at it. But what is interesting is, first time, what are the 10 things which the NEP is expecting all schools, everybody in government and everybody to do is these 10 things. So what are the 10 things? First is subject and student connect. You should know your subject, understand the student and then connect. That's what it is supposed to be done, and all of us have gone through this vocabulary called as PKC in our B.Ed. अब काफी लोगों को ये भी मालूम नहीं है, Previous Knowledge of Child. That's what this NEP is. So NEP is not talking about something very fresh. It is asking you to remind your basics. Do you know the profile of children sitting in your classroom? Do we have 3-4 worksheets given in a classroom? Do we have differential strategies to be done? Is remedial another extension of a period to finish the portion? We really need to think about something, then you will be able to understand this particular point very, very clearly. The second point what it talks about is the work environment. The school's environment should be non-threatening. But my request to principals is, यदि आपके कमरे में वो TV है ना, बड़ा वाला, please remove that. There is no security regulator says that the principal should be monitoring the TV. If he is monitoring, that means you are so jobless. I'm sorry. The rule says that a responsible person in the school must be seeing it. It doesn't say principal. Now many people have become very smart. After I go, I'm like this everywhere, wherever I go. This is my natural form. So people have become very smart. They have reduced the screen size and put it below the table now. And put a glass above it so that they can keep seeing what's happening. Now that's why I said, no, innovation is happening everywhere. Just to ensure that my problem is not there. Please understand, चाहे आप TV इधर रखो, किधर भी रखो, A1, according to legal terms, that is accused one is you, who is the principal. Whether you like it or not, that's a regulator requirement, not my definition. That's a regulator. Inside the compound wall, or whether you are taken to a supermarket, whether you are taken to a river, whether you are taken them to a water park. A1 is you. So you really need to understand कि क्या ये school इतना inviting है. How do people come in? Put a camera somewhere, see the faces of teachers. The day when the announcement is made, like Chandrasekhar made a comment, the announcement was made, tomorrow school will be, closed. How many teachers says, no principal, please cancel, we want to come. Tell me, show me principal. He was little nice in saying this. He was little nice in saying that some teachers, no, it's not like that. How many students are like that? That means our school is not working. All our practices are like pressure cooker. That's where in 10th and 12th, last working day, you are making sure that all the class teacher of 10th and 12th be in your rooms. Why? The children should not make the fan into a lotus. The commode should not be broken. The other things must not be broken. Furniture should not be broken. Why? Hall ticket is given only after the last working day. Why? Look at your practices. I'm not saying. So it should be non-threatening. And non-threatening, that's very, very important. For teachers, the environment should be caring, collaborative and inclusive culture. कल्चर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि जब स्कूल में कोई गेस्ट आता है, जब भी मेरे को देखो तो नमस्ते बोलो. Automatically आना चाहिए. It should be visible and it should be seen. Many schools don't have teacher staff rooms. With the philosophy, यदि staff room होगा तो politics होगा, इसलिए staff room रखो ही मत. It doesn't work like that, please. They also need, they are human beings. They need to exchange what happened in the last class to get some ideas from the other teacher. Did you face the same problem? What did you do? And you put one table chair outside the classroom, इधर ही बैठो, इधर से चले जाओ, इधर से आ जाओ. And please understand, in most of the schools sitting here, 98% is ladies. You need a ladies' room at least for yourself. There are schools which have done some fantastic work. Go back and look at it. If you need some input, meet me after the session. Resource availability and accessibility. The NEP is talking about that in your 5-year institutional plan, I think all of your CBSE schools, most of your CBSE schools, right? All of you were supposed to fill up one form, no? Pedagogical. Half of them, still discussing whether we have to still upload. The last date is over. That is the reality. Let's accept it. Let's accept it. I was in Jabalpur in that regional conference addressing the principals, and luckily RO also was there. I was asking them, you have never oriented people how to fill up this. How many of us know what is long term and what is the shelf life of a long term plan? Became very busy. Google करो भाई इसका क्या दिया उसका क्या दिया इन दोनों को मिक्स करो अपना एक निकालो. It doesn't work like that, please. You really need to understand. So your resources is based on your aspiration. Your 5-year institutional plan, your 3-year plan, your annual plan, your lesson plan. That's where the resources will come in. Many schools are not able to finish their library budgets. Go back and look at your own schools. Suddenly in February they will decide, "Ayyo, so much as we have given. If we don't ask this year, the management will not give next year. चलो खर्च करो. है नहीं है खर्च करो. Publisher को बोलते तुम बाद में ला लो, पहले bill दे दो." It doesn't work like that, please. We need to be genuine to ourselves as leaders, as teachers. It's also talking about not overburdening the teachers. Don't give them anything which is not part of their responsibility or what they have not been done. Even if they have been given, NEP is saying, please prepare them for that. This is very, very important. You can't get somebody's baby and nurture in your school. Sorry. साल से जो आप लिख रहे हो वो lesson plan नहीं है. Every lesson plan, every year, let the teacher decide. Let the teacher decide मैंने करना क्या है. हमारा कोऑर्डिनेटर छोड़ के चला गया, अंधों में काना कौन राजा, उसको पकड़ो, उसको कोऑर्डिनेटर. सॉरी. Empower that. Where is the second line? Where is the third line in your institution? And that's something which this is talking about. And it says very beautifully, it says 2 things. One on content, second on pedagogy. दोनों चाहिए. खाली सामान रखो और बोलना नहीं है आपको PhD में गोल्ड मेडल ले लो. It doesn't work. And that's something very, very important. Choice of career management and progression. This is again very, very difficult. You want to kill a good teacher, make him principal. Automatically the teacher in him or will get killed. Because what happens is, if the teacher wants to be only teacher, then allow them to flirt in the classroom with the subject. Why are you trying to give a responsibility which he or she is not wanting to be doing it? Because you are paying more, don't do it. The choice of career, leave it on the teacher to decide. मैंने teacher ही रहना है जिंदगी भर. Yeah, I want a retired principal of a school, peak qualification. This is going to be very, very interesting for schools. It is going to be a challenge. PTA was there, but again PTA was becoming curry leaves. I call it as curry patta. काफी स्कूलों में खाली तड़क, आपके स्कूल में PTA है, उससे ज्यादा आगे हम उसको इन्वॉल्व नहीं करते सर. They get into day-to-day administration. So be a little careful, because now teachers, what is missing in teachers? And this is where I would, instead of creating those WhatsApp group after every event, after every workshop, please try to join. You are in Facebook, please be available there. But try to find out 5 communities where you should be seen. This is a missing thing right now. Oh, Facebook में teacher नहीं रहना चाहिए. किसने कहा? Is it the policy, what you call digital policy or technology policy of your school, or is it part of your communication policy of your school? You are not very clearly defined. Then why you should not? So you should become part of professional. You can't travel. You can't travel. So do you have communities where you can go and actually work on? First time in the country, we are talking about ourselves as professionals. Only qualification was the criteria to become a teacher. First time we are trying to talk about a national standard and a state level standard by 2020, which has to be completed. This is what is the target win here. I'm not sure when it will happen. But by this year end, they have been expecting, as per the rollout plan of the NEP document, draft document, by end of 2020. So first time we can call ourselves as professionals. Why are you waiting NEP to come in? No, अब अपना शुरू करो ना. एक टीचर स्टैंडर्ड में क्या चाहिए? सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज कैसे पढ़ाएगा, मैनेजमेंट क्या करेगा, असेसमेंट कैसे करेगा, बिहेवियर क्या होगा, प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज क्या, इससे ज़्यादा क्या है बताओ एक प्रोफेशन. That's something which this particular standard is very specifically talking about. But all this requires, and finally they say the teacher education must be revamped. So they are talking about a 4-year program, they are talking about a lot of integrants and how exactly it has to be done. But way forward is very, very important. So what is the way forward? Way forward is you have to use NEP for your benefit. It is given to you. You don't have a choice for it. If you don't have a choice for it, then you should find how NEP can help you to save yourself in the given situation. Whether it is teaching, learning, whether it is teacher, whether it is anything, you really need to understand. So if you really need to understand, for all this you require a teacher attitude. If teacher doesn't have a right attitude, कोई भी छाता काम नहीं करेगा. चाहे वो NEP का नया स्टैंडर्ड हो, मैनेजमेंट में रोल हो, ट्रेनिंग हो, all those 10 goals which they are talking, it's not going to work. So teacher attitude is very, very important, because at the end of the day, all stakeholders have a role. The management, he says, people are not worried about fear of failure, particularly in teaching community. They are bothered about fear of success. स्कूल में जिस टीचर ने एक बार अच्छा काम किया ना, जिंदगी भर उससे वेलकम एड्रेस ही करवाते हो और कोई काम नहीं करवाते फिर. जिसमें एक चीज में टैलेंट देखा, उसको रिटायरमेंट तक, अपने रिटायरमेंट में मेरे ख्याल में वेलकम एड्रेस देके जाए. एंड इफ आई एम सेइंग लाइफ में, गो एंड चेक योर एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेशन में वेलकम एड्रेस पिछले 5 साल से कौन कर रहा हूँ. इफ आई एम सेइंग रॉन्ग, गो एंड चेक. Go and check. This is a very, very classic challenge which we are going through, and for all this, why we are talking about is to make that education experience joyful. The child, the pace at 2:45 when he runs towards the bus, what is his speed? Is that the same speed he comes in the morning? If he comes in the morning, then we are trying to talk about a joyful. On that note, the idea was just to give you little, a trailer of teacher and NEP. With those words, thank you organizers for giving me a chance to be with you on this particular program. Thank you very much.
When Sir said the number of pages the NEP has, I'm sure we all would have got scandalized. We really have to go through the entire document. But all these colorful umbrellas have made it look a little beautiful. And I'm sure now we will take that keen interest and look at what it has in it for us to take, right? Because it looks like a beautiful umbrella that's going to help us grow and protect us from a lot of things and become professionals at the end of the day. Thank you, sir, again. I now request Sindhura ma'am to please kindly come on stage and felicitate sir with a token of appreciation. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.